Hello kids, welcome to my channel Draw with Sumi. For more drawing videos, please press like, share and subscribe button. Today we are going to see how to draw a table lamp. Come, let's start. First step is to draw two straight sleeping lines parallel to each other with small gap in between. Draw C and reverse C curve on top of the line. Now draw two curves using sleeping lines. Draw a small rectangle shape on top of it. Inside the rectangle, draw small lines on one side. Draw two parallel slanted lines. Now draw three circles inside one by one. Now draw another set of slanted lines from top to the circle. Now draw another set of slanted lines from top to the circle. Now draw two small oval at the end of the two slanted lines. Draw a circle. Now draw U-shaped curve that should come through a circle. At the end of U curve, draw oval shape from one end to another end. Draw small U curve inside an oval curve for bulb. Now draw small lines for light waves. Draw two C curve for wire. Draw upside down alphabet D. Draw upside down alphabet D and two lines for plug point. Now draw straight sleeping line and slanted lines on both the sides. Now let's start coloring. Red color. Pink color. Brown. Yellow. Grey. You can choose your own color combinations. That's it. See, it's very simple. If you like this video, don't forget to press like, share and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you.